When you're working with large tables or long spreadsheets, it's easy to lose track of the row you're reviewing. Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically highlight the selected row, whether you're working with your mouse or navigating with the keyboard. So the active row always stands out. This makes checking data faster, easier, clearer, and much less error prone. Let's get started. I'll show you how to do this. Suppose we have a table like this. In many cases, we prefer to highlight the active cell to don't lose it. For example, if you want to enter some values in this table, or if you want to check it with another file or another paper in your hand, you may prefer to highlight it. And after finishing your job, you want to highlight another row. For example, you want to highlight the next row. For this purpose, you should select the next row highlighted and again remove the highlight from the previous row. It's really time consuming and it's not the thing usually we prefer. In this video, I want to show you how to highlight the active row when you click only on the row or if you navigate with keyboard like this. Let's first remove the highlight from this row. The first step is to select whole the table. You can select it with the shortcut I taught in another video for you using Ctrl Shift and right and then down. Whole the table is now selected. And by selecting conditional formatting, I also taught conditional formatting in another video and you can check it in our channel. By selecting conditional formatting and new rule, a window will be open for you. And if you want to write your own formula, you can write in the field in the last item here. That is designed for custom formula as you want to define. You can write your own formula. For the formula you have to use for doing this is exactly the same I'm writing here. Equal sign, row, bracket, and then again equal sign, cell in the bracket, and double quotation again, right, row. You can memorize this formula for your own. And also I have shared the file in the description. You can find the link in the description and download the file to copy the formula and the other settings I did in this file. After selecting the format, you can do everything you want. You can highlight with yellow color or any other color you want. You can add a border around the cells you have selected like this, and you can also make it bold or change the format, change the font or any other thing, or change the format of the values like this. I prefer to make it bold, create a border, and highlight it with yellow color. Okay, now only the first row of the table is highlighted. For completing the job, you should right-click on the name of the sheet like this. Find View Code here. You should write a very simple Visual Basic code here, target.calculate, and you can select the suggested item that is visible here. By closing the window, now if you select anywhere in this table, you can see that the selected row, an active row, is highlighted. It's magical, but it's real. If you select out of the table, there is no highlight, but if you select anywhere in left or right of the table, you can also see the highlight like this. By navigating with keyboard, as you can see, down and up, you can highlight it. I hope you liked this trick, and thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel, and see you in other videos. Check other videos in our channel. Bye.